This course is an introduction to coaching. Different from Agile coaching, this is what I would refer to as professional coaching. The discipline of asking questions to help other people reach their potential, get clarity on their thinking. In the Agile world, we hear a lot about coaching, but many of the Agile coaches don't really have this core skill. We created this course to get people started on the path to understanding and being a coach. When I'm teaching the advanced classes, an introduction to coaching is often one of the highlights, so we've expanded on that part of the class, giving people the opportunity to dig a bit deeper. Throughout the course, we're going to look at what are the benefits of coaching, how does it help the coachee, but also how does it help you as a coach? What's the impact of coaching on workplace and performance? How do we help with things like engagement at work? And the tools of coaching, particularly those being the listening side of things, listening versus hearing. How do we listen? What does it mean to do that and bring things forwards? How do we ask questions? Obviously, you can ask questions today, but this goes a bit deeper, understanding what type of questions to ask, when to ask them, and how to ask them. A structure to put everything inside. We're going to introduce you to the GROW model from Sir John Whitmore, one of the standards in the coaching world. And lastly, goal setting. What makes a good goal and why they're so important to your success, to your coachee's success. This course is an introduction to coaching. It is not an in-depth ICF accredited course. We have created it to help you get started and improve your skill set as a Scrum Master, Agile coach, and practitioner. If that sounds of interest to you, let's get this course started.